In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth keyframe motion with graphs in CapCut PC. If your animations feel stiff, robotic, or a little choppy, this is one of the easiest ways to make them look much more polished. Instead of having motion move at one flat, constant speed, you can use graphs to create more natural acceleration and deceleration. That simple adjustment can make your zooms, pans, and repositioning effects feel smoother and more professional. First, make sure your motion keyframes are already set up and ready to edit. Click on your clip in the timeline so CapCut knows which layer you want to work with. Then go to the top right video panel and open the basic section. From there, place your first keyframe by clicking the small diamond icon. After that, move your playhead forward to the point where you want the motion to end and change a property like scale or position. As soon as you make that adjustment, CapCut will automatically create the second keyframe for you. At this stage, you've created the motion, but it will usually play in a very linear way. That means it starts abruptly, moves evenly, and stops just as suddenly. That's why it can feel mechanical. The next step is where the smoothing happens. Now position your playhead somewhere between those two keyframes. This is important because you want CapCut to recognize the motion segment you're trying to adjust. Once your playhead is sitting between them, look again at the top right properties panel. Right next to the keyframe diamond, you'll see a small graphs icon. Click that icon to open the speed curve window. Inside the graphs window, you can quickly apply preset curves to smooth the motion. Click on options like ease in, ease out, or ease in and out. As soon as you choose one, you'll notice the straight velocity line changes into a curve. That curve represents the speed of your animation over time. In practical terms, your movement will no longer feel rigid. It can start more gently, build speed more naturally, and then ease smoothly into the final position instead of snapping to a stop. This is especially useful for scale animations, camera-style push-ins, or any movement where you want a cleaner and more cinematic result. After applying the curve, press the spacebar to preview the animation and watch how much smoother it feels. And that's it. Once you've applied the graph preset you like, your keyframe motion should look far more fluid and professional inside CapCut PC.